Welcome learners. This lecture is a part of the MOOC on food fundamentals and chemistry. In the previous lecture, we had talked about fat-soluble vitamins. Today, we will talk about water-soluble vitamins. So the classification of vitamins is into fat-soluble and water-soluble. Water-soluble vitamins are B-complex vitamins, vitamin C and folic acid, and they are soluble in water. These vitamins are relatively less stable and more susceptible to destruction during heat processing and exposure to air. The learning outcomes of this lecture are: define vitamins and classify them into various groups, describe the applications of vitamins in food industry, outline the physiological importance of vitamins, identify the dietary sources of these nutrients, describe the signs and symptoms of deficiencies of these vitamins, and explain the effect of food processing on water-soluble vitamins in the food. The water-soluble vitamins function as coenzymes or co-substrates of enzymes involved in various aspects of carbohydrate metabolism. These vitamins do not get stored in the body to an appreciable amount, therefore their regular intake is a must. Excess amount in the body is eliminated through urine. Since they are not accumulated and stored in the body, toxicities of the water-soluble vitamins are rare. These vitamins are destroyed by prolonged heat, and there is an appreciable loss of vitamin activity during cooking processes. The water-soluble vitamins include a group of vitamins called the vitamin B complexes and vitamin C. The B complex vitamins comprise of vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, folic acid, vitamin B12. B complex vitamins are generally found together in the food, hence they are collectively termed as vitamin B complex. Most of these are found in both vegetarian and non-vegetarian sources, except vitamin B12, which is not found in vegetable sources, but is found only in various non-vegetarian sources. B-complex vitamins have been divided conventionally into three subgroups according to the major functions in which they are involved. Energy-forming B-complex vitamins, which includes B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, and biotin. Hematopoietic B-complex vitamins, which includes folic acid and vitamin B12, and non-B-complex vitamins, which includes vitamin C or ascorbic acid. We will be studying about these vitamins today. The first vitamin in the water-soluble vitamin group is thiamine. Thiamine was the first of the water-soluble vitamins to be discovered. It is white crystalline powder. Baking of cereal products shows considerable loss in thiamine content. Due to its solubility in water, thiamine is leached out during wet processing of food. What are the functions of thiamine? It is converted to thiamine pyrophosphate, which acts as a coenzyme for many enzymes involved in carbohydrate and amino acid metabolism. In the absence of adequate amounts of thiamine, the sugars and starches are not fully utilized for energy purposes. Thiamine also plays an important role in nerve conduction. What are the properties of thiamine? It is quite stable at ambient temperature, that is 37 degrees centigrade, and at low water activity. Under acid conditions, it is fairly stable, but under alkaline conditions, it is unstable. Thiamine is the most heat labile of the B vitamins. It is inactivated by heat. Thiamine is also degraded by the ultraviolet radiation. Vitamin B1 hydrochloride find a common application in the preparation of drug formulation of all types, especially of oral drop solutions, drops, tablets, and others, and also for the vitamin fortification of foods. As sulfur dioxide destroys the vitamin activity of thiamine, sulfides should not be added as a preservative to foods rich in thiamine. The dietary sources of thiamine are Yeast is the richest source of thiamine. However, whole grains, nuts, legumes, green leafy vegetables are important sources of thiamine. It is present in most animal and plant foods. The bran of wheat and rice and wheat germ contain high amounts of thiamine. Therefore, milling and polishing of these grains leads to substantial losses of this vitamin. Among the animal foods, organ meats, pork, liver, and eggs are good sources. The thiamine deficiency can result into beriberi. There are two forms of beriberi, the wet beriberi and the dry beriberi. Wet beriberi is also known as cardiac beriberi, and it is characterized by edema, palpitations, breathlessness, and weaknesses of the heart muscle leading to heart failure. Dry beriberi is characterized by loss of appetite, tingling, and numbness of the legs and hands. The second vitamin that we would talk about is riboflavin, also known as vitamin B2. Riboflavin was recognized in 1879 as a yellow-green fluorescent pigment in milk. Its importance was, however, understood in 1932. The solution, when exposed to UV light, emits a strong greenish yellow fluorescence. It is stable in acid or neutral medium, but destroyed in alkaline medium, especially on heating. Vitamin B2 is used as a color and nutrient in various food commodities such as baked foods, noodles, and macaroni products, ice creams, and soup mixes. What are the functions of riboflavin? Riboflavin is essential for the metabolism of carbohydrates, amino acids, and lipids. It takes part in these functions as the coenzymes flavin adenine dinucleotide and flavin adenine mononucleotide. What are the dietary sources of riboflavin? Milk and milk products, eggs, liver, green leafy vegetables are rich sources of riboflavin, while wheat, millet, and pulses are moderate sources. Rice is a poor source of riboflavin. We will come now to the riboflavin deficiency. The symptoms of riboflavin deficiency become apparent after several months of deficient intake of the vitamin. Early symptoms include photophobia, lacrimation, burning and itching of the eyes, soreness and burning of lips, mouth, and tongue. Chillosis, which is cuts on the lips, sore tongue, etc., are the other symptoms of riboflavin deficiency. Deficiency of riboflavin usually occurs in association with deficiencies of other water-soluble vitamins such as thiamine and niacin. The third vitamin, also known as vitamin B3 or niacin. So niacin is a generic term for nicotinamide and nicotinic acid, both of which have the biological activity of niacin. They are collectively called niacin. On heating, the acid or alkaline solutions of nicotinic acid are converted to nicotinamide. Niacin is one of the most stable of the vitamins. It is stable to acids, bases, oxidizing agents, heat, and light. However, it is destroyed by autoclaving at 120 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. Niacin functions as a component of the pyridine nucleotide enzymes, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. These two enzymes play an important role in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fatty acids, and amino acids. Niacin can be synthesized internally from the amino acid tryptophan. 60 milligrams of tryptophan can synthesize 1 milligram of niacin. What are the properties of niacin? Nicotinic acid and nicotinamide are white, crystalline, odorless solids. Nicotinic acid is sparingly soluble in water, but freely soluble in boiling water. However, its sodium salt is soluble in water. On the other hand, nicotinamide is soluble in water and also in ethanol. It is resistant to heat, alkali, and oxidizing agents. The coenzyme forms of niacin are pyridine nucleotides. Nicotinic acid is mainly used in the vitamin fortification of flour, macaroni, and noodle products. Besides the vitamin efficiency, nicotinic acid is sometimes used in combination with ascorbic acid in the meat industry to retain the color in minced and unpickled meats. What are the dietary sources of niacin? Significant amounts of niacin are found in foods like liver, kidney, heart, fish, groundnuts, wheat germ, and dried legumes. Fresh legumes and green leafy vegetables are fairly good sources, while fruits are poor sources. Although milk and eggs contain small amounts of niacin, they are very rich in tryptophan, hence they contribute to the niacin content of the diet. What does the niacin deficiency do? Mild deficiency of niacin causes muscular weakness, anorexia, indigestion, and skin eruptions. Severe deficiency results in a condition known as pellagra. Pellagra is called as the disease of 3 Ds: dermatitis, dementia, and diarrhea. Dermatitis, the skin gets cracked and dry, especially in the areas exposed to the sun, such as hands, face, neck, and feet. The peeling skin looks like paint getting peeled off a surface. Hence, it is also called as flaky paint dermatitis. Dementia is a condition where the central nervous system is involved and there is confusion, disorientation, and hallucinations. Diarrhea is a third symptom of pellagra, is another common findings in pellagra. Digestive abnormalities also cause irritation and inflammation of the mucous membranes of the mouth and stomach. The next vitamin of the B complex is pyridoxine or vitamin B6. It exists in 3 forms that are interchangeable and have the same biological activity: pyridoxine, pyridoxal, and pyridoxamine, collectively known as pyridoxine. Pyridoxine is metabolized to pyridoxal phosphate, which is a coenzyme to several enzymes involved in protein and amino acid metabolism. It is also involved in the metabolism of neurotransmitters, glycogen, heme, steroids, etc. This vitamin is also needed for the metabolic conversion of tryptophan to niacin. Pyridoxine is also associated with the metabolism of essential fatty acids. Vitamin B6 is a white, odorless crystalline compound soluble in water. It is heat and light sensitive. Vitamin B6 in the form of PLP functions as a coenzyme in several enzyme reactions. Sterilization of milk done by heating at high temperature results in the loss of vitamin B6. But it is interesting to note that vitamin B6 hydrochloride added to milk or milk preparations is more resistant to thermal sterilization than the vitamin B6 naturally present in the milk. Loss of vitamin B6 due to thermal sterilization of milk-based preparation may thus be compensated by external addition of vitamin B6 hydrochloride. What are the dietary sources of vitamin B6? It is widely distributed in foods with liver, muscle, meat, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts being very good sources. Symptoms of pyridoxine deficiency include weakness, sleeplessness, neuritis, sore tongue, chillosis, etc. However, these symptoms are common for the other B complex vitamins too. Hence, it is not clear as to what extent this deficiency exists in India. The next vitamin is cyanocobalamin, or also known as vitamin B12. Cyanocobalamin is used in the preparation of liquid and dry drug formulations of all kinds. Cobalamin concentrates are being used in the animal feed industry. What are the functions of vitamin B12? It is required for the maturation of red blood cells, and it is also required for proper functioning of the central nervous system, for the synthesis of DNA, and for metabolism of folic acid. What are the properties of vitamin B12? It is a dark red color crystalline compound. It is hygroscopic in nature, soluble in water, stable to heat at pH 4 to 6, but heating in dilute acids or an alkaline media deactivates the vitamin activity. Its activity is destroyed in the presence of reducing agents like ascorbic acid or sulfur dioxide. Redox compounds like ascorbic acid, ferrous salts destroy its activity. It is unstable upon exposure to light and oxygen. Two coenzymes forms of vitamin B12 are methylcobalamin and adenosylcobalamin. What are the dietary sources of B12? B12 is synthesized by bacteria and is present only in foods of animal origin. Liver, eggs, milk, meat, and fish are good sources of this vitamin. None of the plant foods contain this vitamin. Vegetarians have to consume sufficient quantities of milk in order to derive this vitamin. The stomach contains a factor known as the intrinsic factor, which is required for the absorption of vitamin B12. Deficiency of vitamin B12 causes impaired cell division, particularly in the rapidly dividing cells of the bone marrow, and intestinal mucosa as a result of decreased synthesis of DNA. This results in abnormally large RBC, and a characteristic anemia called as megaloblastic anemia occurs. Deficiency of vitamin B12 also causes neurological abnormalities such as numbness, tingling, and burning of feet, and stiffness and weakness of legs. Widespread deficiency of vitamin B12 is rare, and it occurs in individuals who lack the intrinsic factor either due to aging or by hereditary. The next vitamin of the B complex is the folic acid, also known as steroyl glutamic acid. It is produced by many bacteria and is a yellow crystalline compound moderately soluble in hot water and stable to heat. The term folate is also used to refer to folic acid. Folate refers to a group of biologically similar aryl monoglutamic acid and related compounds found abundantly in plants. Folic acid is mainly used in the manufacture of dry drug formulations and also in the vitamin fortification of animal cells. Folate functions as enzymes, co-substrates in many reactions of amino acid and nucleotide metabolism. Folate is essential for the formation of both white and red blood cells in the bone marrow and also for their maturation. Folate is involved in the synthesis of heme. Folic acid is a yellow crystalline compound, sparingly soluble in water but soluble in hot water, sensitive to light and UV radiation, stable in extreme pH but less stable in pH 4 to 6. There is no destruction during blanching, while cooking causes only small losses. Tetrahydrofolate, which is a derivative of folic acid, is the cofactor of enzymes which transfer single carbon units in various oxidative states. It is present in almost all plant foods in the form of tetrahydrofolate derivatives. What are the dietary sources of folic acid? It is present in both plant and animal foods. Fresh green leafy vegetables are very good sources of folic acid. Pulses, organ meat, liver, and egg yolk are also rich sources of this vitamin. Cereals and milk are generally poor sources of folic acid. Similar to that of vitamin B12, deficiency of folate 2 causes megaloblastic anemia, where the red blood cells are abnormally large in size and highly pigmented. Folate deficiency is often seen in children and pregnant women. The next vitamin is ascorbic acid or vitamin C. Is an essential vitamin for humans who cannot synthesize this vitamin, when plants and most animals synthesize this vitamin from glucose and galactose. Ascorbic acid is a strong reducing agent. It is involved in collagen synthesis, calcification of bones and teeth, and many other oxidation reduction reactions in the body as a reducing agent. Ascorbic acid promotes resistance to infections and is claimed to be useful to prevent and cure common cold. Ascorbic acid is a natural antioxidant and is known to be protective against several diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, certain types of cancer, and some complications of diabetes. Ascorbic acid, being a reducing agent, helps in the absorption of iron from our diets. Vitamin C is a white crystalline compound, highly soluble in water. It is relatively unstable and easily destroyed during processing and storage of foods. It is unstable in neutral and alkaline solutions and labile to heat, light, and exposure to oxygen. It decomposes in presence of iron and copper. It is a cofactor for microsomal hydrolases and oxidases. It is the only water-soluble vitamin without a coenzyme activity. Ascorbic acid is used for the preparation of various drug formulations and for the vitamin fortification of foods and beverages. Vitamin C is used in the prevention of browning and discoloration in vegetables and fruit products, and it is also used as an antioxidant in fats. Ascorbic acid is abundantly present in plant foods, especially fresh foods and green leafy vegetables. Citrus fruits, guava, banana, papaya are rich sources. Meat and milk contain very little vitamin C. Dry legumes are practically devoid of this vitamin. When they are germinated or sprouted, significant amounts of ascorbic acids are synthesized in them. Unfortunately, ascorbic acid is easily destroyed by exposure to light, oxygen, heating. Therefore, if vegetables containing this vitamin are cooked, more than 50% of it can be destroyed. The best way to get this vitamin is by eating fresh fruits and some green leafy vegetables raw. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. The symptoms of scurvy include weakness, bleeding gums, and defective bone growth. Due to its role in collagen formation, deficiency of ascorbic acid causes a delay in wound healing. Scurvy is not very common in India. Now, what effect does food processing have on these water-soluble vitamins? The first food processing method is blanching. So, blanching is a process of mild heat treatment done to inactivate unwanted enzyme activities, reduce microbial loads in fruits and vegetables. Blanching is carried out using hot water treatment or flowing steam or hot air or microwave treatment. Of all the methods, blanching in hot water cause more losses of water-soluble vitamins by leaching. So what is the effect of storage on water-soluble vitamins? Processed foods are normally stored at room temperature or under cold conditions. Vitamin A and C in refined products become rapidly oxidized during storage due to exposure to oxygen. Vitamin C content decreases during storage of foods even at frozen conditions. The main factors responsible for vitamin losses during frozen foods are primarily oxygen and light, which pass through the packaging material. During storage, dehydrated foods are stable under proper packaging conditions when they are not exposed to light and oxygen. Thus, proper packaging methods can help in retaining vitamins in foods. Heating at high temperature results in various changes to vitamin content. The industrial sterilization of milk-based formulations greatly reduces their vitamin B6 content, with thiamine losses ranging from 30 to 50%. Baking cereals and cereal products also causes varying degrees of vitamin B group losses, with the baking of white bread resulting in about 20% thiamine losses. Vitamin B12 is generally stable during cooking unless boiled in an alkaline solution. Additionally, vitamins A, B, thiamine, riboflavin, pantothenic acid, and nicotinic acid are not affected by the frying of eggs. Cereals and pulses are milled before they are prepared into various food products. For example, wheat is milled into flour and baked into bread. Similarly, black gram is milled into dal before it is prepared into different food products. However, milling decreases vitamin content in flour or dal compared to the whole grain. This is mainly because vitamins are concentrated in the germ and bran, which is a seed coat, portion of grains, and loss of these tissues result in loss of vitamins. However, in both the cases, bran and germ are removed when they are milled into flour or dal. Thus, milling results in loss of vitamins in food grains. All the parts of the plants or animals are not edible even after cooking. Therefore, before cooking, we remove certain tissues of raw materials. Usually, we remove the skin or the peel or the hard stem or the seeds from foods and vegetables. For example, in apple peel, the ascorbic acid content is more than in the flesh. However, during processing of apple into juice, peel is removed. Thus, the vitamin C content is decreased in the juice compared to the whole fruit. What effect does irradiation have on vitamin losses? Nutrients in meats and poultry are affected by irradiation. It is also found that thermal processing and radiation sterilization of pork results in comparable thiamine losses. However, blanching vegetables and cooking meat do not cause folic acid losses. Oxidizing agents degrade vitamin C, folate, vitamin A, and vitamin E. Reducing agents such as thiol compounds increase the stability of the above vitamins. Sulfites are used as preservatives in a variety of foods. As an anti-browning and an antimicrobial agent, sulfites protect vitamin C, but sulfites inactivate vitamin B1 and B6. Acidulants increase the stability of vitamin C and B1. Alkaline compounds reduce the stability of vitamin C, vitamin B1, pantothenic acid, and folate. Before cooking, food material undergoes various stages. They are washing, soaking, trimming. Washing or soaking of cut or damaged tissues of plant or animal products with water causes loss of water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin losses occur during cooking due to thermal inactivation and leaching of water-soluble vitamins into the water. So how should we cook to minimize the losses? So cooking with minimum amount of water, decrease in the cooking times by covering the containers, avoid overcooking and cook vegetables until only tender, use the cooked water for soup preparations and avoid excessive trimming. In the end, we would like to sum up this lecture on water-soluble vitamins. Vitamins are very important from nutrition point of view and are important for food scientists also. These are not required in large amounts in the body and are not energy-giving in nature. They are organic compounds classified on the basis of their solubility in water into fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins. The water-soluble vitamins include a group of vitamin B comprising of B1, B2, B5, B6, B12, niacin, biotin, folic acid, and vitamin C. All the vitamins have some or the other important physiological role to play. They are the coenzymes part of many enzymes except vitamin C. The deficiency of each of these vitamins leads to a disease. Fruits, vegetables, milk, meat, egg, fish are good sources of these vitamins. Vitamins are affected by various food processes like freezing, drying, heating, etc. carried out during preservation and storage of foods. As a result, the food loses a number of these water-soluble vitamins. With this, we come to an end of our lecture on water-soluble vitamins. See you in the next session. Thank you. Our lecture on water-soluble vitamins. See you in the next session. Thank you.